gonna rip up the concrete about 8 inches from the wall, carry all that out, and get the water guard installed. Put plastic up here. So basically we're gonna build plastic doors from here to there. The homeowner's already put his own plastic up, but this is just to help keep the dust pretty much contained in where we're breaking it all out, which is gonna be this wall only. And then the tarps here are gonna make it a lot easier when it comes to actually having to clean the carpet. So the goal is to get most of the concrete either there or on this tarp, and then we can roll it back over onto there instead of having to vacuum up the carpet for a couple hours when we're done. Same with fire alarms. If there's fire alarms down here, you either tape them up or you just disconnect them. You will set fire alarms off with all the dust. He's about to start is going to be for us to have the jackhammers down here. He's got his, I still got to grab mine, and make a whole lot of noise.